Hey guys, we received this Asago magnetic tiles
Thank you,
farm
बढ़िया.
for toddlers. So for test and try, and this is a magnetic tile set for kids. This is a building blocks with a stem stack toys, and you can just take it anywhere. You can see like the horse, and I have a moving pair with the magnetic field, and I have like all these farm animals with the small stuff, and then like a camel or things. So it's good for the kids to learn about animals and play with it like a cow. So you can see like all this small stuff, the animals that kids can
हम्म.
play,
दो
and
आए
they
ना.
have the moving head or moving legs. So
ये
this
कैमरे
is
लगाए
pretty
ये छोटे
nice.
बच्चों के लिए होते हैं. इसे कह रहा हूँ कि अगर तुम ले
And
आना बाकी
also
चीजें
you
ले
can
लेना.
see
कोई एक डब्बा फेंक देना ना,
great
बस ये रख लेना.
design and the quality. So let me take all these things out. So this one is around 2.95 inches with the cube, and then you can build up the set in the back. See, like all this, the big blocks and the small, so the kids can create or use their own creativity. All these magnetic sets are like our strong magnets, so they are just joining with each other pretty quick, and they are not easily breakable. And this is a big square block that can be used as a base to put in, like I
हमारा
can
ड्राइवर
just
गाड़ी
make
निकालो,
a
मुझे बोलो
small
ड्राइवर गाड़ी
form
निकालो.
here, and then I'll put all the animals. So you can see like the magnets are really strong and sticking with easily with each other. And you can put all these animals, and these have the legs like the magnetic one. So it's pretty good. So they have a horse, cow, goat, camel, and then you can just use the different things to store and make
वो तो ऑटो
different
मैंने को
stuff. It's good for the kids as well. They have fun with it, but just for the video sake, I'm just doing it pretty quick. Um, but it's a really nice design and a really nice magnetic set and a fun thing for the kids. You can see the quality of the gems and the magnets here. So this is pretty nice high quality magnetic tile set. So my kids also had fun with it. So hope you like this as well.